Okay, I'm here with the senior 7-on-7 MVP, Chance Gray. Now, I didn't get to see you this week, but I saw you a couple weeks ago, and you're unbelievable running from the slot, out of the running back position, lining up wide. You do it all. He's from Concordia Lutheran High School in Texas. Tell us about your experience at NUC.
It's been fun just going through each process, just doing well at the combine and then doing well at the regional camp, and then coming here was just kind of my goal to be able to get here and just to have fun and to go back-to-back 7-on-7 champs was just fun. It's been a great experience, and I hope this can just boost up just my career and just shoot me into senior year.
All right, what position are you going to be playing for your high school actually?
I'll play tailback and also motion out to the slot a lot.
So you're that all-purpose back that
Yes,
can do
sir.
a little bit. What about, do you return some kicks?
Yes, sir. I punt return and kick return as well. And
okay. Who's one of your toughest opponents you got this year during the regular season?
St. John's out of Houston and Second Baptist as well. And those are two private schools, and one of them's district and one of them's non-district.
Okay, well, congratulations and good luck your senior season.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.